Hi, this video is based on Alpinebear's new everyday use bag. Every portion of the bag is integrated with a YKK zipper. The bag's outer shell is made from high-quality 600D polyester with PVC coating. 3 sides of the bag are integrated with bar-tacked webbing to install MOLLE pouches. Alpinebear is proud to introduce the new elastic organizing strategy for organizing all kinds of equipment and things more precisely. All items can be installed either vertically or horizontally. The 25mm hard elastic is good quality, and when things are removed, it takes only a few minutes to get back to the real shape. An ID panel is placed inside the skins, which will improve visibility and safety against loss. You're now looking at the top view of the bag. The corners of the bag are upgraded to the rounded shape, which increases the lifetime of the zippers. Handle of the bag is completely made from hook and loop tape, which is also softly padded. The interior of the bag is made from 210D ribstop fabric, which is 100% nylon. Double divider is integrated with big flap pockets, which can store plenty of documents or multiple gadgets like laptops and tablets. The front of the bag is entirely surrounded by loop tapes, which allow dividers to be set according to the size of objects. The elastic organizing panel inside the bag gives plenty of options to the users to organize their stuff. 3 sides of the bag are softly padded, and the other 3 are padded with 1.55mm polyethylene sheet. Alpinebear uses its signature color cyan to decorate the product's interiors, which makes it easier to grab the items. And the 2 mesh pockets create visibility for the items stored inside. We hope you definitely like our new bag. We're uploading videos every week, so kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel to never lose an update.